Welcome back, my friends. I love a world premiere, and I got Dave with me today because we are doing another world premiere here on the Okuma booth at IMTS. Dave, I get excited, obviously, as everyone can tell.
Right.
I know you get excited as well because Okuma keeps creating these machines so people can have success listening to your customers and saying, you know what, we can do that. We have endless possibilities.
That's right, that's right. And so we basically moved the MYW concept, so milling, Y-axis, subspindle, now to our smallest LB platform, the LB2000 EX. This is the world premiere for this machine.
I have a friend of mine, you may know this guy as well, Wade Anderson.
Yes, sir.
He says Okuma, worldwide, known as the leaders, about 8 inches and up for the longest time, just crushing material. But this one's a little bit smaller, and you're getting into that world of the smaller diameters as well, aren't you?
Right, so now we can push down into the 6-inch chuck range, 6 and 8, that's kind of the target for this machine. So 6-inch, we're looking at 6,000 RPM, 8-inch, we're looking at 5,000 RPM, sorry. So for small, complex products, perfect machine.
And is this also, much like the other video that you and I have done, more of an entry-level machine, or is this more of okay, we're ready to go, now let's invest in some technology and get this Okuma?
Oh no, this is the LB-EX is really legendary throughout the industry, right? So, I mean, top of the line everything, Okuma design Prex motors for fast accel, decel, high torque. Yeah, when you want to get it done, this is the machine. This is the machine.
About to ask you a rhetorical question. You ready? Although
yeah.
I'm going to ask you to answer it anyway.
No problem.
Automation. Can I automate this if I want to? Of course, right?
Robots, gantries, bar feeders, you name it, we can do it on this.
I like
no
that
problem.
answer. Anything special now? I always see the cosmetics of your machines continue to improve. Big windows, nice lighting. The angle, I can look and get into my parts really easy. No back pain. How about the software side of things? The screens are always looking bright and user-friendly as well.
Yeah, so basically what we did was, this is our P500. So we moved from the P300 now to the P500. You'll see it introduced throughout the booth. And we basically taken an evolutionary approach, right? So we have a control, we evaluate it over the years, and where can we make improvements, what can we make easier for the operator, more accessibility, just speed up the process of them getting the machines set up and back into production, because obviously you're not making money if the spindles aren't turning. So we took everything we learned on the P300, put it into the P500, and that's what you see here now today.
Easy as that, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like your slogan, open possibilities,
That's right? That's right.
I said endless possibilities, open possibilities. Now, I gotta ask you one last question. It's the hardest one of the day. Do you love the camera?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got him again, my friend.
It's growing on me. It's growing on me.
Thank you, Dave. I appreciate your time. Thank you all for joining us. I got Dave growing on camera as well, and we appreciate your time. Time is the one thing we cannot manufacture more of, so if you shared some with Dave and I today, we truly appreciate it, and we'll see you again soon.